So I'm building a pedal snake for my pedal board that I built some time ago. This is to connect my amp and my pedal board. It contains the 4-cable method as well as cables to control the amp. The ingredients for this build: of course a multi-cable, some angle jacks, both stereo and mono, as well as some straight jacks, some color rings and some heat shrinking tube. Alright, here we go. Alright, I got everything plugged in right now. Let's see if it works. Right, channel switch seems to work. And I got sound, so probably all the cables seem to work. The only thing is to test out the stereo return that I built in. I got a stereo delay setup in my Zoom multi-stomp. There's hardly no noise. There's a little noise when I engage the overdrive channel, but that's normal. So apparently my DIY pedal snake works perfectly fine.